Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for clicking into this video. In today's video, you guys, I'm going to be sharing with you what I picked up from HOMEGOODS. I went into store to try to find some stuff for my apartment for the spring. Like I said in that video, I'll link it up here for you guys. I am trying to switch up my style instead of just having basic stuff. Like I typically go all out for the fall and the winter, but I really don't have a whole lot going on during like the spring and the summer. It's just like really basic. So I want to switch it up, and I wanted to go ahead and start decorating my apartment for the spring and the summer. So my first choice was to go to HOMEGOODS and just to kind of shop around and see. I was trying to stay away from the Easter decor, like the eggs and the bunnies, but y'all will see in the stuff that I picked out that didn't happen. My plan failed. So, but I feel like the things that I picked out will still be able to, I will still be able to keep those things up throughout the time frame that I'm trying to keep them up, which is like up until like the first part of May. So let's go ahead and get right into the video. But before I get started, since you guys are here, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, join the genuine family, and also turn on your post notifications to all so you'll be notified every time I upload a video. You guys, we have fun over here. So let's get right on into the video. Okay, so the first thing that I picked up is this pillow, and it is a really nice soft feather, and it says that it's feather stuffed or feather filled, and this pillow was $16.99. It says compare at $24, so I got this for $16.99. I really like that it's not doing too much. Like it'll go very well with my gray and black sectional, I feel like, and it's made out of like this really nice beige linen material with the black stitching on it, you guys can see. And since it doesn't have a whole lot of color going on, like the spring pastel colors, then I feel like it would also be able to stay up for the time frame that I wanted to. So I just picked up this pillow. It's really nice. I love it. I'm just going to go ahead and show you guys the other set of pillows. The other pillows that I got, it came in a set of 2. If I did mention it before, my apartment is mostly gray and black, and I have some beiges and like little wood accents like this around the house to kind of give it that rustic farmhouse look. So that's why I feel like my style is, it's like a modern rustic. So for my couch, or for my sectional, I picked up these pillows, and it also has that like linen look. These are also, are they feather? Yeah, these are also feather filled, and it just has that dark gray on this side that kind of looks like the linen, and then it has a lighter gray on the opposite side. So I feel like that would be really cute. These were $24.99, and I almost didn't buy these pillows, you guys, because I have other pillows like the decorative pillow inserts, so I almost didn't pick these up. I was probably thinking I was probably going to end up taking these back, or I was going to go ahead and take these back and just buy some decorative pillow covers from Amazon. So that's just like a cheaper way to do it. If you guys don't want to spend $25 on pillows, you can always go to Amazon. If you have like older pillows that you have, and you can just buy the inserts or the covers from Amazon, and I've seen some as cheap as like $6.99 on Amazon for a set of 2. So that's another cheap way of getting decorative pillows, you guys. So The next thing that I'm going to show you guys is the decor that I picked up from HOMEGOODS. And so the first thing, I'm just going to unwrap it. Sorry you guys for the unraveling. So the first thing that I'm going to show you guys is this cute wooden bunny. And I love this. Like I told you guys, I love the wood tone that it has. And look at this. I feel like this just screams like a modern rustic or glam rustic glam because of the beading that's on here. Just look at that. It is so beautiful, but then it also gives you that rustic vibe and wood tone vibe. I really like this. I liked it so much that I picked up 2, and these were $6.99 a piece. I don't know if you guys can see that. They were $6.99. I really like these, and they're quite heavy, and they will be able to stand up because it has like a flat bottom right here. These are so nice. I love these. And so these were actually the inspiration to the direction that I went in when I started picking stuff out. So I'm just gonna sit this guy right here. Because I think it is so cute. I'm gonna sit him right there for the remainder of the video because I think he is so cute. I don't know if I'm gonna maybe sit his brother there too. But I think they are just so cute. So the next thing that I picked up, and these are also bunnies too, you guys. So I didn't want to go super overboard with the bunnies because like I said, I want to keep it as non-traditional Easter decor as possible. I want to still be able to keep up my regular decor and just incorporate some spring in it. And so this is probably going to be the first of my spring decor shopping because I did pick up a whole lot. But here's the next item. Is this really nice silver bunny. I almost want to sing like the Christmas song, Silver Bells. But yeah, it's really nice. He was $3.99. He is so cute. So I feel like things like this would be able to stay up because it's like it's a neutral. So I also picked up a second one, and so I feel like these will probably look really cute either together or like on the side of a mantle with some decor in between. But these are really cute, and like I said, they were both $3.99. Aren't they cute? And so the next item, oh, that's probably it for the HOMEGOODS, you guys. I did pick up this Rae Dunn, and this is my very first Rae Dunn item I have ever purchased, and I see how you guys are so obsessed with collecting them. I just picked up this mug that says hot chick. Hey. I feel like this is so cute, and it just has that, I think it's kind of matching my shirt with the blush pink. It was $5.99. I thought this was so cute. Like, I see why all the girls are obsessed with Rae Dunn, because this is so like, I like the form of it and how it's not like a perfect circle, so it like can conform to your hand when you're holding it. So I love this. Okay, so I do want to go ahead and sprinkle in some other little home decor items that I picked up. The same day that I went to HOMEGOODS, I stopped by the Dollar Tree just so I could check out to see if they had any of their florals out, and they did. They had the whole wall, when you basically walk into the front of the store, was filled with florals and all of their spring decor, so they were ready for you, girl. So I'm just going to go ahead and show you guys because it's not very much, so I'm going to add it on to this. First thing that I picked up were these like planter buckets. They're calling it vases, but I feel like it would go well with like the wood tones because it has the twine wrapped around and it's like a galvanized bucket. So I picked these up. I picked 2 of these because I want to make a flower arrangement. So one of my favorite flowers is peonies, and they actually have multiples. So here are the peonies that I picked up, and I also like hydrangeas, but they didn't have any hydrangeas. But I feel like these peonies are so cute. They had just this like peachy interior. You guys see, and I picked up 3 of each, so 3 bunches of each of this peachy color, and so I think that would be good enough for a for an arrangement. Yeah, I am going to cut these and make them individual stems and put them into a vase. I think it might also kind of like that. I'm gonna fix it, but it'll look much better. So I thought this would add a really cute feminine touch to all the rustic that's going on in here. So, and I love these peonies. I also picked up these pink ones, which I felt like were really cute, and I also picked up 3 of those. These are so gorgeous. So gorgeous. And y'all heard me say that I wanted to stay away from the pastels, but I guess that only happened for in HOMEGOODS because I got some eggs, and these came from the Dollar Tree. And I was really thinking of putting them in my apothecary jars because I have 2 apothecary jars that are sitting over on my it's not really a mantle, it's like a half a wall that has a built-in desk on the other side of it. So, but I decorate it as if it was my mantle. So I have 2 apothecary jars. So I thought these would be cute to go inside of there. I'm not sure. I'm just gonna look and see how I like it. If it's gonna tie in with the rest of like my wood decor and just give a pop of spring, and then I'll take it out after Easter is over. So yeah, I picked this up. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to leave down in the comment section if you would like for me to film a spring apartment tour, because I do like to decorate here and there. I go all out for the fall and Christmas season, but spring and summer just kind of always falls by the wayside. So I'm trying to amp up my decor a little bit. So I appreciate you guys for watching. Thank you so much for tuning in. Until my next video, live your life, sis. Bye, guys.